I'm wandering through the absolute wasteland deep in southern Utah. And who do I run into? But Roxy, adventure nomad for nature.
Hi.
Unbelievable. She was actually in the movie Nomadland. Roxy lives in her Chevy Astro all-wheel drive Studley full-time for the past 18 years. She's an absolute legend and role model for this lifestyle. She's totally hardcore. It's a real pleasure to meet you. She's another one who lives van life for the adventures it takes her on. Much like me. It's not so much about the van, it's about the adventure. Check out her channel.
Adventure Nomad for Nature.
Welcome to Sweller Than Dweller.